Hi, Grandma and Grandpa. We're showing you a few of the things that we printed with the 3D printer since we got it. So Josh, go ahead and show us what you've made so far.
So far, I've made a bunch of keychains like this one. It has gears that can spin, and a little alien keychain that spins, and a fan. And I also did a snake. Alright, wiggles. And then I made more, like this little dinosaur. When you pull its legs back, its mouth opens and closes. And a piranha, which also can chomp on stuff. And a shark. And a gecko. And little pangolin keychains. I made a blue one too. Also, I made a Flexi Rex, like a little dinosaur, and another dinosaur, which is harder to use, and a small dinosaur. I also made these, where this is like fabric.
Chainmail?
Yeah, chainmail.
Oh, I can't see it through your hands. Here.
So chainmail that they all link together and they're really flexible.
And
So,
did you print each one of those individually?
no, this actually printed all in one piece.
In one print?
Yeah, one piece. Oh yeah. So I also made a shark. Its mouth can open and close. And a strange looking fish. It's only has 3 segments in it. And my favorite type of fish, like this. It's a fish fossil. That and it's flexible and woo. Yeah. I also printed this.
Which is what?
Is like the other weird fish, except it has 60 segments in it.
Show us the ends. Get the ends together.
Like
turn it
this
sideways. All we can see is the mouth. No, I mean turn the head sideways. All I could see was the mouth before.
Yep, like that.
Bring the ends in so you can see what it is.
Like this.
Does it? And it flexes.
Yes, it's a flexible fish, cause like you can twist it and spin it and fold it and tie a knot in it.
And that all printed in one print, right?
Yeah. But it had to print in a spiral because the printer it couldn't print it if it was just straight.
Okay.
So yeah.
Cool. Jared, what did you print?
So, I printed this pangolin. The body printed in one piece except for the little feet. I had to print those separately.
Turn it sideways so we can see it.
Alright, yeah, like that. And then, yeah, you can roll it up in a ball. And then I printed a little stand for it. See the pangolins. It just fits right on.
Cool.
I haven't printed nearly as much stuff as Josh, but I just really like this one.
Okay.
So, yeah.
All right, Jen, can you show us what you have?
This is my little. This is my.
Hold it up so we can see it.
This is my dog.
Does it do anything?
No,
Okay.
it's just one.
Do you like it?
Yeah.
Okay.
And
What
this
else?
And this is my dragon.
Okay. Turn it sideways so we can see the whole
I
thing.
got it one night.
We
Its tail is fragile though.
We printed it. Yep. Okay. What else do you have?
I have a pangolin that moves and it can curl up. And it can also curl up like this.
Let's see your hand.
printed too. And I also got a dog.
Hold it up so we can see the side of it. Cool.
And I also got a dragon that can move its head, his tail, and its wings.
Whoa. A flapping dragon.
Yeah.
Okay, so that's most of what we've printed lately. Anything else you guys want to say?
He has tons more fish, though. Yeah, I put all of these on my backpack as keychains. There's a lot of them. And I think I went bit too much on this. Because it's about as long as my backpack is. Because when I hang it from the top, it droops all the way down to the bottom. So yeah.
Mm-hmm. Okay,